How's it going, guys? Hope everybody is well today. Okay, so I've done a bit of pre-work on this particular salad, which I'll go through. Basically, I've just put some lemon juice and some apple cider vinegar with these guys, with the carrots. So this is one of my girlfriend's favorite things, is doing carrots with, or like in whatever it's called, little strips. So it's basically carrots. We're going to do some broccoli. We're going to chop up some red peppers, pop up some tomatoes, and a bit of feta cheese on top of that. So pretty basic salad, nice and healthy. It's been a bit of a healthy run, a really healthy run of salads. So, and yeah, things are going well. That's it that I can think of. Cool.